If you're trying to level up your technical skills online, you've probably come across Pluralsight. But here's the real question. Is it actually worth paying for? Or is it just another learning platform filled with courses you'll never finish? Because the truth is, not every online training platform works the same way. Some are built for casual learning. Others are built for real technical skill development. So in this review, we're going to walk through what Pluralsight actually does well, where it may fall short, and who it's really designed for. And if you want to explore the platform yourself while you watch, you can check the Pluralsight link in the description to see current pricing and course access options. So, what is Pluralsight? Let's start with what Pluralsight is designed to do. Pluralsight is a technical learning platform focused on IT, software development, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and data skills. It's not a general learning site. You're not going to find cooking classes or photography tutorials here. What you will find are structured technical learning paths created by industry practitioners. That's an important distinction. Most platforms organize content around individual courses. Pluralsight organizes content around skill path progression. For example, if you're learning something like Python, Amazon Web Services, cybersecurity, Kubernetes, or network administration, you don't just pick one course. You follow a learning path that walks you from beginner concepts to intermediate and advanced topics. The goal is to move from simply watching videos to actually building technical capabilities, the feature that makes Pluralsight different. Now here's where Pluralsight separates itself from most learning platforms. It starts with something called Skill IQ, a structured skill assessment. Before you start learning, you will take a short assessment that evaluates your current skill level in specific technologies. For example, JavaScript, Azure, Linux, cybersecurity fundamentals. The system then ranks your level as beginner, intermediate, or expert, and based on that result, recommends the exact courses, the skill path, you should start on next. This matters because one of the biggest problems in technical learning is not knowing where to start. A student or employee either starts too easy and wastes time, starts too advanced and gets lost. The Skill IQ function helps solve that issue. If you want to try the assessment yourself, you can explore the platform using the link in the description and see how their skills measurement system works. Course quality and depth. Let's talk about the actual courses. This is where many people decide whether a platform is worth paying for. Pluralsight courses are typically very focused and structured. Most are between 1 and 4 hours, broken into short modules. Instead of one massive 20-hour class, the platform uses a modular learning concept. That means you can learn in subtopic-based segments without losing the overall thread of the primary topic while maintaining the ability to absorb the individual parts of it. Courses usually include concept explanations, demonstrations, real technical environments, practical walkthroughs, and many learning paths include dozens of courses that stack together. For example, a full cloud learning path might include cloud fundamentals, architecture concepts, security practices, infrastructure automation, arriving at a full cumulative knowledge level of what makes up cloud computing. This layered approach is why many companies use Pluralsight for team skill development. You can literally track how employees progress through a learning path. If you're considering using Pluralsight for your own learning, take a look at the platform through the link in the description. This will let you explore the course catalog and see what technologies they cover before deciding if it fits your chosen learning goals and methods. Where Pluralsight may not be the ideal platform. Now let's talk about the trade-offs, because Pluralsight isn't perfect for everyone. First, Pluralsight is heavily focused on technology careers. So if your goals are broader, business, marketing, creative skills, You'll probably find platforms like Udemy or Skillshare more flexible. Second, Pluralsight is primarily video-based learning. Some courses include labs and exercises, but it's still largely structured around watching expert instruction. That works very well for conceptual learning, but it's not always the same as hands-on bootcamp environments. Third, the subscription price is higher than many casual learning platforms. But the reason is simple. You're paying for technical specialization, not general education content. So the value really is defined by your learning goals and objectives. Who Pluralsight is best for? In my view, Pluralsight works best for three types of learners. First, early career IT professionals, people who want to strengthen fundamentals in networking, cloud, cybersecurity, software development, among others. Second, intermediate engineers expanding their stack, someone who already knows one technology but wants structured learning for something new. For example, a system administrator learning AWS, a developer learning Kubernetes, a security analyst expanding into cloud security. Third, companies building technical capability across teams, because the platform includes skill tracking, learning analytics, structured team learning paths. This makes it useful for organizations that want to build consistent technical depth in their workforce. It also allows the organization to measure and manage around a known skill level in each subgroup within the organization. So, is Pluralsight worth it? For the right learner, absolutely. Especially if your goal is serious technical skill development, not casual online learning. What makes the platform stand out is the combination of skill IQ assessments, structured learning paths, deep technical course libraries. That structure removes a lot of the confusion that comes with trying to learn technology online. If you want to explore the platform yourself, you can check the Pluralsight link in the description to see current pricing and course options. And if this kind of practical technology training breakdown is helpful to you, consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be reviewing more technical learning platforms and training resources designed to help you build real career skills.